Break the bank. To cost too much money. The shoes look good and don't break the bank. This phone is nice, but it won't break the bank. Burn the midnight oil. To stay up late at night. She burned the midnight oil to finish her homework. I had to burn the midnight oil to complete the project. Hold your horses. Wait or slow down. Hold your horses, I will help you soon. Hold your horses, dinner is not ready yet. Like two peas in a pod. Very similar to each other. My brother and I are like two peas in a pod. The two friends are like two peas in a pod. Keep an eye on. To watch something or someone carefully. Please keep an eye on the bag. I'll keep an eye on your car. Bite your tongue. Stop yourself from saying something you want to say. She bit her tongue to stay quiet. I wanted to shout, but I bit my tongue. Cut corners. To do something quickly, but not properly. He cut corners and made a weak table. She cut corners while cooking, and the food tasted bad. Head in the clouds. Not paying attention. He walks with his head in the clouds. Don't keep your head in the clouds during class. Elephant in the room. A big problem that everyone knows, but nobody wants to talk about. The money problem is the elephant in the room. The teacher's anger was the elephant in the room.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!